Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the brand new DJI Osmo 360. Let's check out what's in the box. Packaging looks clean, typical DJI style. So there are two different boxes in the box. So one is the Osmo 360 itself and the other is the accessory box. Let's see what else is there. And here is the invisible stick, so let's check it out. Nice and sturdy, looks good. And let's check out the Osmo 360. Build quality looks good, sturdy but pocket friendly. Definitely gonna fit in my pocket. Let's check out the accessory box now. Let's see what we have. Okay, here the carrying pouch with the charger cable. The battery pack with the 3 combo batteries. Some documentations. And let's see what's this. The lens protection rubber, looks nice. So here's the new DJI Osmo 360 and with all the accessories. So let's boot it up for the first time and let's check out the 2 dual cameras for the 360 view, and that's the touch screen. Looks nice, bright enough and clear. It feels solid but lightweight, definitely pocket friendly. Dual lens for the 360 capture and a small tiny touch screen. That's everything inside the box. I'll be testing it soon, so stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.